YSL clutch bag boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long.
Hello, I'm Cherry Bomb P. Today we'll be unboxing some Doc Martens I got for $35.35. I bought them on AliExpress. I can link the seller's store. The listing of the Doc Martens aren't there anymore, but they did come with 2 pairs of shoestrings, the yellow ones and then the black ones later. I didn't originally see that in the first clip. It has the logo on the inside of the sole of the shoe, on the zipper, on the bottom of the shoe, on the tag. So there's that. Honestly, I think I should have ordered a different style because I should have ordered the style I wanted, but these were there, so I figured why not. I did go in a real store, and the difference between the ones that I got and the ones in the real store is the bottom thickness of the sole is a lot thicker in the real store. Like, these are already thick in my opinion, but it's thicker than that in the real store. They fit well. They're just uncomfortable to wear because you know, they hurt. They're very stiff. The size is good. I have enough room. They're just very stiff, and I have, you know, wide feet or whatever. So that's my only con. I ordered my European size. That's what I do when I order any shoes online. So that's my only advice to you. I feel like they're true to size.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, but she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in the pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock.
YSL clutch bag boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long.